Hey peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and today has been an interesting and stressful day, so I figured the most logical thing to do was to pull out all of the horrible, awful, messy paints and stuff and do a Bob Ross tutorial with a baby. So we're gonna give this a shot. I have no idea how this is gonna go. I'm using acrylics instead of oils. And I know for certain that I don't have all the same colors, so, you know, we're just kind of winging it here. And I don't know if you can see this, but there's like 2 white bands on the inside of this painting, and I watched this episode. I hadn't actually watched any Bob Ross stuff since I was like a kid, so I was just kind of curious to see what all this was like, and I saw this painting, and I thought it was really cool. So let's get started and let's watch this thing.
Fantastic day here, and I hope it is wherever you are. Tell you what, let's get right on it today. Let's start out and run all the colors across the screen of yellow ochre. Very, very small amount on the 2-inch brush.
Oh, he's starting. He's like starting.
Now this won't be an exact duplicate of what you...
Okay, so I know he usually starts off with like, you know, gesso, or not gesso, but like a layer of titanium white so the colors blend. Well, since this is like already pre-gessoed, I'm not gonna prime it again. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tape it off, and I'm just going to spritz with water so that it's wet-ish, and then see if that'll help blend my colors a little bit. First we gotta mask tape this thing off. Okay, buddy, you gonna help me with this? Do not fall out of my lap. Okay. Go with it. I can patch. Okay, that was way harder than I thought it would be. So this is a cheap canvas, and I don't think it was stretched very well, so we have like some weird bubbling, but oh well.
But just paint right over the masking tape, just like it wasn't even there. Just like so. We had a little bit of yellow up here in the sky. Okay, let me wash the old brush here. And as you know, we wash our brushes with odorless thinner.
That's part here.
Shake off the excess. Just beat the devil out of it.
Beat the devil out of it.
Oh, I've got to show you
Thank
something
you, Bob
here.
Ross.
I have to be real, but he's actually put an image of Bob on the end of it here. And this was done by Mike Weaver. He's one of our certified instructors.
Okay, so I've watched everything for the sky. I need water. I'll be right back. Well, I'm thinking that I understand the point of the titanium white, so I might just take a little of my white and mix it with some water and do a really light coating over the whole thing. I don't have yellow ochre or anything even close to it, so I'm trying to think of what I can use instead. I think if I do, I might have to mix this. We'll see. Well, we'll use our yellow, and then we'll just tone it down and see what we can get. This is what I do for everything. I only have like 6 colors. Now I do have, so of course, Bob Ross has like phthalo green in everything except for this one. He has sap green, and I just happen to have an acrylic phthalo green, but not a sap green. Okay, here comes the messy part. No, I need to do the white first. White first. Oh. Of course, I'm using a different kind of white. It's not titanium white. What is this? Oh, it is titanium white. It is titanium white. It's just acrylic. And let's quick mix our yellow. An ever so itty bitty bit of red of a phthalo blue. So, oh, yeah, okay, well we have a very nice olive green. A little goes a long way. Okay, well, now we gotta go all the way. Gotta go a little more red and a lot more yellow. I always end up mixing way more paint. If you need to. Yay! Let's just start up in this corner. Now we're going in with black. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to start with less. I think I need more white. Okay, we're getting somewhere. This was not my best idea ever. Generally speaking, I'm more of a dry brushing person, so I think I'm just gonna keep this one on hand. Okay, that actually did a fairly decent job of, like, you know, getting rid of the brush strokes. So, got my sky. Stop looking at me funny.
Why?
Because I'm insecure. I'm entering new territory. So what's your plan?
Sarah, why do I have to have a plan?
I don't know. Okay, let's keep going now.
Take a little of the black, put a little mountain in here, a little black, a little touch of phthalo blue in there. Maybe even a little alizarin crimson. Pull it out very flat, cut across, get our little, we'll pull it out very...
Okay, let's try our mountain. And we get our roll of paint on there. It looks like a roll, right? I don't use palette knives. And then we just start pulling things down with a brush. Okay. Okay, let's try that. It's good, right?
Cut across, get our little roll of paint again. Always have that little roll of paint. Just graze the canvas. I used to tell him just to pretend that he was a whisper, just floating right across the mountain. It's that light. It's fantastic mountains. He does better mountains than I do. Don't tell him I said that. And a little touch right in there. We'll push that little rascal right back. That easy. That easy. On this canvas, you have unlimited power. Wherever.
You're supposed to come in with this like a whisper.
Like a whisper, huh?
Like a whisper. I ain't doing much whispering. How far is he supposed to go? That goes down quite a ways there. He's got like a big, fat kind of palette knife. I don't really have any big ones. I should go. I can't go to the art store. They're all closed. Ah!
Want me to give you the bump?
Well, I guess that's the only option we have. Hang on. Let me do a little more whispering here. Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, it looks a little different.
Shush. Leave me alone.
Help create that illusion of mist down at the base of the mountain. Over here, this direction, and lift upward. Sometimes you can grab just a little bit of that and pull it. Looks like, okay. Now then, we're ready to start putting some little footy hills in. Color with a little,
Slow down, Bob Ross.
In it. Now I'm going to keep right in here. I'm going to keep it inside of this border.
Now I'm running out of this particular color.
Knife and just cut across. It's all instant reflections. That's sneaky. Instant reflections. That's sneaky, isn't it? But let's use it.
Okay. This side. Come get him.
I get him.
I'm not left-handed. I'm not left-handed either. Maybe a little heavy on the waterline.
At least a little touch of sap green. And I guarantee you, if you paint this one, people will look at it. There, pull that down a little. I'm just going to be putting in some dark areas. And That way it'll work so much easier. Nice green highlights right out here on this little peninsula that jets out into the water. Sort of pile it up
Huh?
I
so
think
you can
he's
load a
jigsaw.
brush. So if you ever
Play
have
some
trouble
games.
loading the brush, yet you know there's enough paint, just put it in a pile. Yeah, and then you can load
Where
your
am I
brush.
going?
Palette, you have to sort of pile it up. Play some games. Sometimes it's
I don't have paint to pile up. Sorry. It's okay. He makes trees look like stinking awesome every time. He's like the magic tree man. I think this is my first time using a fan brush on top of it.
Why?
This is really not good.
It's not that bad.
It's not good though.
It's not that bad.
It's not good though.
We should do an experiment.
It is an experiment. It's very
No, we
much.
should do an experiment where I watch the Bob Ross video.
crimson sap green. Sounds good.
Sounds good. Time for a happy tree. That's okay. It's shaping up slowly.
Doing oil paints is because it takes forever to dry. And then come to find out, well, it doesn't matter.
Well, it does.
No, it doesn't.
Honestly, I kind of like letting my canvas dry a little bit. I know that's technically not what he's doing here, but we're already doing the wrong thing by working with acrylics, so I feel like I need different brushes for this painting.
2-inch brush, an exact duplicate of what you see at the beginning of the show.
We just improvise. We just improvise a little bit. He doesn't say which brush he's using, so I'm just maybe gonna wing it. It's time to take the tape off. Okay, let's see how bad this is.
Line. Something like that. Take our 1-inch brush, dip it in the liquid white, go through our yellows.
Well, here's our questionable piece here. I need to clean these up a little bit. Like, it looks great from a distance. Not saying much. But anyhows, if you like this video and you want to see more like this, please hit the subscribe button. All good things, all good things. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye.